Picture this: a summer night in 1964. The top is down, the engine is alive, and the car beneath you isn't just a machine, it's a legend. The 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL Convertible wasn't built to blend in. It was built to own every inch of the road, and today, we're diving into why this iconic top became one of the most unforgettable creations of the American automotive golden age. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel, and today we're diving into one of the most iconic, most unforgettable machines ever to roll out of the American automotive golden age, the 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL Convertible. Now, before we even get into the details, let me just set the scene for you. Imagine a summer evening in the mid-60s. The sun's dropping low, music drifting out of the radio, and this long, sleek convertible gliding down the boulevard like it owns every inch of pavement it touches. That's the vibe this car brings, and it's the same energy I want you to feel as we talk about what makes this machine not just a car, but a statement, a memory, and a piece of rolling art that represents everything extraordinary about that era. The 1964 Galaxie 500 XL Convertible wasn't just Ford trying to impress drivers. It was Ford flexing. This car marked the height of the performance wars when manufacturers were obsessed with building faster, stronger, more dramatic machines. And while muscle cars would explode just a year later, this Galaxie was already laying the groundwork. It provided the perfect blend of elegance and aggression, a combination few cars have ever mastered. When you see this convertible for the first time, you realize instantly that it was designed to be seen. It's long, it's low, and it looks like it's moving even when it's parked. The 64 styling sharpened the look with crisp lines, stacked headlights, and that wide chrome grille that seemed to stretch from horizon to horizon. Open the door, and that's where the magic really happens. The XL package wasn't some small trim upgrade. You got genuine luxury, high back bucket seats, a center console, chrome everywhere, and that unmistakable 1960s dash layout that makes you feel like you're sitting inside a spacecraft designed by someone who loved speed. The interior wasn't just comfortable, it was designed to wrap around the driver in a way that made every ride feel intentional. Cars today are efficient, technological, and impressive in their own ways, but the Galaxie's cabin was built to make you feel something. There's a reason every detail, from the stitching to the trim, feels almost theatrical. And then there's what sits under that long, sculpted hood. The XL Convertible could be ordered with a lineup of engines, but the one everyone talks about, the one that made this car legendary, is the Ford 27, a 7.0-liter beast built for NASCAR dominance, a power plant that helped Ford fight for supremacy on the track and brought some of that fire to the street. When you hear a Ford 27 rumble, you don't just hear it, you feel it in your ribcage. It's a physical experience, like thunder trapped under metal. Even the smaller engines were impressive, but the 427 turned this convertible from a cruiser into a weapon. It made the Galaxie a car that didn't just look beautiful with the top down, but one that could hold its own against some of the fiercest machines on the road. Driving a car like this today is a completely different experience from anything modern. There are no driving aids, no digital screens, no quiet insulation keeping the world out. It's raw, direct, and honest. Every vibration, every roar from the exhaust, every little movement of the steering wheel feels connected. This is what makes the Galaxie 500 XL Convertible so beloved by collectors and enthusiasts. It's not perfect, and that's exactly why it's so unforgettable. When you're behind the wheel, you feel like you're in a living piece of history. And speaking of history, the 64 Galaxie wasn't just a car for road lovers. This model year is deeply tied to Ford's push in racing, especially with the 427 engine that helped Ford dominate NASCAR. Even the shape of the car, the lowered roofline, the aerodynamic touches, was influenced by lessons learned on the track. Ford wasn't just building a luxury cruiser, they were building a performance monument dressed in elegance. That dual identity is what makes the XL Convertible so special. It's powerful without being loud about it. It's stylish without trying too hard. It's the kind of car that turns heads not because it's shouting for attention, but because it radiates timeless confidence. Today, when collectors search for a 1964 Galaxie 500 XL Convertible, they aren't just buying a car, they're chasing a feeling. They're chasing that sensation of American streets filled with chrome and rumbling engines, of open-top freedom when driving wasn't just transportation, but an experience. Restored examples of these cars can fetch serious money, especially those rare 4027 equipped models. They're prized because they represent something no longer built, a full-size, full-power convertible with personality. And if you've ever seen one in person, you already know why. These cars don't fade into the background. They dominate the space around them. But what makes this particular model so expensive, so desirable, and so irreplaceable isn't just its rarity or performance, it's the emotional pull. The 1964 Galaxie 500 XL Convertible embodies a chapter of American life where the open road represented possibility. It was the car you took to the beach, the car you cruised with on a Friday night, the car that made you feel like the world was opening up in front of you. You can buy a faster car today. You can buy a more efficient one. You can buy one with more features, but you cannot buy a modern machine that gives you the exact feeling this classic delivers. That's why collectors love it. That's why shows feature it. That's why people stop and stare when one passes by today. So if you've ever dreamed about owning a piece of American automotive history that combines beauty, power, nostalgia, and presence, the 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL Convertible sits near the top. It's a car that reminds us what automobiles were meant to be: powerful, emotional, unforgettable. And if you appreciate machines that tell stories the moment you look at them, this is one of the greatest American stories ever told on four wheels. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you love classic cars, rare machines, and the stories behind them, make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment about your favorite classic ride, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more amazing automotive content.